In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Excel at Miro. To begin, open your Miro board. Make sure you are in the board where you want the Excel file to appear, and take a moment to zoom or pan to the area of the canvas where you want to place it. If your board is busy, it helps to create a little empty space first, so the file is easy to find once it is added. Next, open your File Explorer or the folder on your computer where your Excel file is saved. You can do this from your desktop, your Downloads folder, or wherever you normally store project files. If you have multiple versions of the spreadsheet, confirm you are selecting the correct one. A quick check of the file name and the modified date can prevent uploading the wrong document. Now click and drag the Excel file directly from your folder onto the Miro canvas. Keep your mouse button held down as you move the file over the Miro window. Then release it on the canvas. If you are working with two windows, it can help to resize them so you can see both your folder and Miro at the same time. Once you drop the file onto the board, Miro will begin preparing import options. When the import prompt appears, select the option that says Add as a file, and then click Select. This choice embeds the spreadsheet as an attached file on the board, which is useful when you want teammates to access the original document from the canvas. After you confirm the option, the upload will start. Finally, wait for the upload progress bar to finish. Depending on the size of the Excel file and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a bit longer. While it is uploading, avoid refreshing the page or closing the tab. Once the progress bar completes, the file will be available on your board where you dropped it, ready for you and your collaborators to open from Miro, and that is all there is to it.